Education 2.0 is the term that refers to the impact that the new internet technologies dubbed Web 2.0 have had on our thinking about teaching and learning in the current age. The addition of 2.0 suggests a new generation or step up from the old ways of using the internet in education. Wikipedia is a good example of a Web 2.0 application because it is created, edited, and policed by its users. It is a body of knowledge that is amassed by the collaboration of many people and owned by no one. According to Charles Crook of the Technology and Learning Research Program, when directed at learning, Web 2.0 impacts four principal dimensions of the learner's experience. Two are broadly social in nature, collaboration and publication, and two are more cognitive, literacies and inquiry. Web 2.0 applications allows learners to communicate in various ways from trivial conversation to interpersonal debate. In this way, they share their knowledge and in return gain new knowledge from others. The overall body of knowledge is built by collaboration. Through online publishing, learners can display their original creations at no cost. The works are seen by a wide audience, and the author can solicit feedback from others, thereby improving their work in a collaborative style. Web 2.0 has changed our definition of literacy to include not only language, but also media, network, and computer artifacts. In the 21st century, a learner needs to be literate in the areas of language, computers, media, and culture. New ways of conducting personal research are opened up to the learner. The internet offers a vast array of information, and the individual can now determine the path of his own study. Neil Selwyn suggests that Web 2.0 has created a new type of contemporary learner. Today's learner, he says, is a digital native who grew up in a world reliant on computers and the internet. Selwyn invokes the words of Mark Prensky, who said, "Today's students are no longer the people our educational system is designed to teach." For those learners who grew up on computers and video games over the last 50 years, it's no surprise that games have become a full-fledged educational tool. Learning and play merged into a way that speaks to the digital generation's technical literacy. With the new era of technological advancements in education comes an enormous interest in virtual worlds. Among the most powerful of the virtual worlds is Second Life. Second Life is a virtual environment that is superficially similar to online role-playing games, but contains numerous embedded features that makes it an ideal pedagogical resource for education. Avatar-based virtual world education is highly interactive, providing the convenience of not having to travel while providing a richer, more effective, and more enjoyable experience. Over the past several years, educators have begun exploring Second Life as a powerful medium for instruction. Second Life allows for continuing and growing social interactions, which can serve as a substrate for collaborative learning. Users are able to carry out tasks that would, in reality, be constrained by cost, scheduling, or location. Second Life virtual reality can adapt and grow to meet different user needs for game-based education. Another fairly new development in the world of the internet are social networking applications. They have become some of the most popular Web 2.0 technologies on the web. Over the last 5 years, educators have begun to embrace the websites such as Facebook and services such as Twitter to engage their students. Teachers who have chosen to experiment with social networking are finding that the interactive nature of these services promote collaboration and participation for all learners. Aside from the most popular social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and MySpace, there are others whose main focus is on education. School of Everything, for example, is a social networking service with the goal to bring people together who are interested in learning specific subjects with experts who are willing to teach it. Many schools and universities are offering their own social networks open only to their faculty and students to promote a stronger learning environment and to allow interaction between students with common interests. The partnership between education and the web is a work in progress. There are and will continue to be growing pains. No change is easy, especially not one that involves a complete change in pedagogical philosophy. Teachers and technologists need to work together to help create an educational environment that will encourage inquiry, imagination, and collaboration.